Hi everyone! I have realized that I neglected doing videos about what inspires me in my coloring. I already made 3 of such videos and you can find them in separate playlists, but today I want to tell you about works of Daniel Merriam. Daniel Merriam is an American artist who was born in 1963 in New England, in a small village in Maine. Family had 7 children, and from childhood, creativity was a very important part of an education. 7 children learned music and art, and Daniel also participated in his father's woodworking shop. Also, he always loved to look at beautiful New England architecture, Victorian houses and colonial style houses. And also, when he was 12, the family moved to a lake region and he was able to admire beautiful nature. He loved lakes, mountains, pine trees, and he says that from childhood he wanted to pursue a career in art, but his family wasn't sure in this career choice. So first he studied architectural design and construction, and he started to work in construction business of his family. But then he decided to switch and to pursue career in art. First, he worked as an architectural and commercial illustrator, but then he decided that he wanted to be just an artist, so he concentrated on paintings. Now he is considered as the most talented surrealist painter, and he had many personal exhibitions in USA and Europe, and his paintings are hanging in many modern museums. I will leave you a link to his personal website and to his Facebook page where you can admire his other works. And why I decided to make a video about his paintings? It's because he is a great inspiration for me when I need to color in Tomislav Tomic or Jasmine Beckett Griffith or Hannah Carson book. If you look at his paintings, you can see that we have here a lot of magical houses, magical buildings which we can use as an inspiration while we color in Tomic or while we are coloring in Hannah Carson. And my pastel garden, which I finished in July, was inspired by one of the paintings by Daniel Merriam. And also I think that I will try to copy color palettes from his portraits, from his fantasy paintings, while I will be coloring Jasmine Beckett's Griffith Girls. And I also enjoy to watch at his paintings and to find small but cute details. He is a great master of drawing of water, sky, and of course amazing architecture. So I try to look how he put light and shadow, how he do background, which colors he select, which color he combines. So I think that I will be using a lot of his paintings in my future colorings. Also, I like his paintings because I can imagine a story behind each of them. Artist gives interesting names to his paintings, and in this way he tries to hint what he wanted to say with the painting, but the rest of the story is for my creativity, my imagination, and I always love when paintings have this hidden depth. I hope that you will also find an inspiration from his paintings. I definitely will try to use some of his color palettes and also his attentiveness to all smallest details on the painting. I hope that it will help me to improve my colorings. Also, I plan to do couple of other videos from this series What Inspires Me, and I hope that I will manage to do it during August. Happy coloring to all of you. Thank you for watching.